Hello friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. Maybe doing a demonstration as well. This is the Larinest Countertop blender. Safety lock, easy to clean, 64-ounce easy pour jar. We have the instructions here on top. And it's like this is, I believe, 1200 watts of energy. Okay, so here we have a nice little like personalized smoothie cup here, and there's a little drinking or a little lid there. Just go on or off. Okay, there's that. Here is the motor base. It's pretty sweet. Little suction pads on the bottom. Nice kind of a stainless look here. Lots of kitchens are going with the stainless and black color. That's kind of what we have in our kitchen, so that's kind of nice. Matches. That's a good size. Pretty large one. This is looks like a thick plastic, so it's kind of nice, lightweight. Have this locking top. This thing comes off, so you can add more things to it. We have our spout. Let's see here. Yeah, it looks like this locks on or off, so that's kind of cool. If you just put it in on the sideways, and it has these little things on the side, and you just rotate that. Sometimes you get some stuff splashing up if you're making a smoothie. Nice wide spout on there. So will it pour without the spout? I don't think it'll pour with that spout on. Anyways, let's make a smoothie. I'm gonna go wash this. It's like this has the blade does not come out of there. Doesn't look like it does, at least, or it might. I'll have to check that out, but this should just lock right onto here. Just like that. Like the suction cups on there. Take it off, that just pops off of there. Looks like not only does it lock on right here, but also locks on here, so that is cool. And we have this one as well. That locks on just like that. Okay, let's go make like a smoothie and check it out here. All right, so wash this out. No leaking at all, that's cool. So this does not even turn on. I got plugged in, but it doesn't turn on unless this is attached. So it has a little safety feature right here. That's very nice. Locks into place. Will not work. I didn't even have this closed all, that's why. See if I open this up a little bit. And then our power button's not gonna flash. So this makes sure this is secured all the way. Very nice safety features there. That's locked in, and now it'll turn on. I was like, how come it's not working? The safety features is working, that's why it wasn't working. So whether I'm putting that one on, now the power is not going to be able to work, and then this one locks in. Once it's locked in, and then the power goes on. So very nice features there. Going to do a little smoothie on this one here. It only works one way, with the handle on the right hand side. So as you're facing it, this little portion is going to lock into there, and that's the only way this is going to work, is just like that. So has to be as you're facing it, handle on the right, and then it will work. So let's throw some stuff in here. I'm going to open this up. Power light's going to go off, so we are totally safe here. Let me go ahead and throw a banana in here. Bananas are always good in smoothies. There's that. I didn't wash my apple. I'll just throw in some mixed berries in. We got some kiwi and strawberry blend. Frozen fruits there, smells good. I got some frozen blueberries here as well. Oh yeah. And then I got some frozen kale. So if you want your stuff to last a while, just kind of put it in the freezer, wash it real good, put it in the freezer. If you want to make a nice healthy smoothie, it's going to last a long time in the freezer, and most of the flavor is maintained. So I'm going to put a little bit of milk in here as well. Okay. Now I can secure my lid on here. So this just goes off to the side a little bit, push that down all the way, and then we make sure we rotate that. There. Our light comes on, and then I can do a pulse. Actually hit the power button, so it was flashing, now it's on. I can do a pull. Whoa. That's powerful. Put on high here. I'm just going to add a little bit on top. I like how this is really easy to open up. So far there's no spillage or anything, which is really cool. So, you know, I can just do that, I believe, while this is running. Let me see if it will or not. Put it on medium here. Okay, I like this is really, if we get a close-up on here, it shows like it's really folding in on itself. So the design of the blade seems to do a very good job of just folding everything in and mixing very nicely. So you push the button again to stop it. Nothing splashing. Let me check out the bottom here. Okay, there's no liquids coming out of the bottom. That's really cool. We have another different blender, and sometimes the stuff will leak out of the bottom, which isn't very cool. Make sure this one's on the side there. Very easy to lock into place there. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish going this a little. I think we're good. Looks like it's nicely blended. Nothing splattering up on the top. Sometimes you push one on high and it woo, and then just splashes everything like all over the top. Doesn't look like that happened here, so that is really cool. I'm gonna try this smoothie and tell you what I think about it here. Okay, well, I tried out both of these. Works really well. Let me put this one on there too, just to show you guys real quick. Anyways, really happy with this. These, I'm gonna use some blueberries, kiwi strawberry blend, some kale. This is also dishwasher safe. Everything except, of course, obviously the motor, which shouldn't need to be washed. It has a nice, like a stainless steel, a black look, and also quite powerful, as we'll soon find out. Throw some milk in here, and we got a nice, tasty little healthy snack here. Okay, and this one just locks into the top. I like that this, you don't have to screw a lot like other ones. You have to like multiple turns to get it locked in place. Our other blender, you have to really crank it down just to get it tight enough so it doesn't leak. This one doesn't leak at all. Very nice. Lock this in place, the power button comes on, and then we can just put it on high. Turn it off. I like this is not a very loud blender. That is cool. That comes off easily. We can take this off, no problem. It has a little kind of a dome feature there, so that kind of keeps stuff from spilling over, which is nice. And this has a lid too, so if we want to take our smoothie with us, we can just turn this in and lock it in place and take it with us wherever we're going to go. That is nice and spill proof, so it's not going to get all over the place. Really cool. And then we can enjoy our smoothie whenever. Whew, that's a really thick one. And cold, but delicious. Very nice blender, my friends. I like that it's not super loud too. It's got plenty of power, but not like deafeningly loud like some other blenders I've had. So really cool, kind of lightweight. These are both like heavy duty plastic, very nice. The blending blades are these super kind of burly like heavy duty stainless steel, so they're not gonna get all rusty, and no leaking out of the bottom. These go on there super easy to clean. Just put a little soap and water. You can put these in the dishwasher too. No leaking. I'm observing none at all, which is really nice. Some that we have to, our other one does leak out of the bottom, like I mentioned. These are really cool. Seem to be super heavy duty. The mixing process, I drink my smoothie, had a little bit from each side. No big old chunks or anything like that. The blades are, I mean, they're thick. On one side, these are super heavy duty. So everything about this seems really nice quality. I like that it's not deafeningly loud like some blenders. I gotta like put it in a garage, you know, and instead of like your ears are ringing afterwards. This is a little loud, but it's not like crazy loud. So very nice, decent power. Seems to be a great blender, my friends. Thanks so much for watching this review. I hope it was helpful. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.